free automatic repair tool to fix Windows problems and boost performance. If you want a free automatic repair tool to fix your Windows performance and boost performance, then this video is for you. First, you need to open up your browser and you need to install the application, which is Repair Kit by Flowset. So you need to just simply search for Repair Kit, and after searching for Repair Kit, you will have a GitHub link right here. So you need to click on the GitHub link. Once you've clicked on it, you'll get this kind of interface. You need to just simply scroll down and you will have the latest releases right here. You need to click on the latest release and then just scroll down and just install the zip file. After installing the zip file, you need to go with your downloads and extract the zip file and install the application, which is Repair Kit. After installing the application, you will get this kind of interface, which is the Repair Kit application. Now, once you get this kind of interface after opening your Repair Kit application, now you can start automatic repairing. You will have all of the processes right here, which is like delete system policies or run registry tweaks, run system tweaks, run feature tweaks, or run capabilities tweaks, run services tweaks, remove junk files, remove bloatware, repair disk issues, scan for malware, and update outdated programs. You can just simply click on any progress and then go with run automatic repairs. So this is a free automatic repair tool to fix your Windows problems and boost your performance for your computer, and it's absolutely free. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.